Alright, so here I am. I'm trying to replace this faucet with a new faucet that we've purchased. And as many may know, one of the things that you have to do is you have to remove these mounting nuts that you screw in underneath the bottom of the faucet to hold it down. Well, trying to get these undone this morning was quite a challenge. I spent way more time than I should have, and I was using all kinds of crazy tools like this heavy-duty hammer. See, I had this little pry bar here. I used these pliers, and I used this basin wrench. And not a single one of them would do the job. So I went online and did a little bit of research, and I found this tool that's put out by Rigid. Costs $20 at Home Depot, and this has saved my life. Let me show you how it works. See if I can do this underneath the sink here. Basically check and get the right end to fit the nut that you're trying to undo, which that's not it, so I'm going to flip it over. Whoops. I'm going to flip it over. And then you just line it up with the tabs of the nut that you're trying to loosen. Like that, and let me see, you just start turning. Sorry for all the shaky video, but this tool really does do the job, and it makes it really easy. Again, 20 bucks, Home Depot. It's put out by Rigid. And let me see if I still have the package here. Here we go. Rigid faucet and sink installer. Multi-purpose tool.